So we just got this TD1 from Works So Well. The brand sent it to us, and we've been testing it out on our dog for his gums. It's also good for mobility, and I'm going to show you a little bit about it and how easy it is to use. So first open it up, and it comes with these almost look like little hearts. Oh, look, he already knows what time it is. No, you don't get to eat it. We got to rub it on your gums. You know how it goes. So you put, based on how big your dog is, you'll do 1 or 2, and for dogs over 50 pounds, it's basically 2. And for the first 30 days, and after that, you're going to go down to 1. You twist it off, and it kind of reminds me of a zit. Look at you squeeze it out. He said, yeah, but it's a tasty pimple. So we're going to get him over here. And most dogs don't even want you to touch their gums, but he doesn't mind because, look at that. Oh, it tastes yummy. Is that good? Okay, let's have some more. We'll rub it on his gums up top, on bottom. See, and the reason we wanted to give him that, because if you look right here on his gum, it's all inflamed right here. Oh, no. It's all inflamed, and we're trying to treat it. There we go. Yeah, but he doesn't mind it at all, and the dogs actually seem to like the taste. So if you're looking for something that's going to help with gum health and actual joint mobility, then I would check these out. And besides, it's a real good bonding moment with your dog. How often do you get to rub their gums?